Use your tweezers, take it out. Put it in here. In the marker barrel. Press it down. One more click. Oh, good. And show Mom.
Choose the marker color from marker basic bag. No pink.
No pink.
This.
Okay.
This is pink.
3 yellow.
3 yellow.
And 12 red.
And 12 red. Carefully pour inks, color inks into the measuring tube. Remember and let it go. Tell you with color how much to use.
Put this one. Up to 15.
So big.
Lower the marker cord into the measuring tube. Let go. We have to wait until all the ink is absorbed.
All the ink in the rock. Did I take it?
Yes, take it out.
I'll take it up
Put it in.
to the end.
Push it down. Seal it. Go ahead. I need to hear 2 clicks. One more. Okay.
Color.
Yes.
Color the box.
15.
Put the marker cord in the measuring cord.
Okay, and the other one.
All the ink absorbed. Silence.
Go. 2 clicks. One more time. Say seal.
Do the marker.
What? One more time. Push. Okay.
Put the marker cord in the measuring cord. When all the ink is absorbed, take it out.
Using the tweezers, put it in the marker barrel. Push it down. Adjust it. 2 clicks. Go. That's 1. One more. Okay.
Put the cap on. This and 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 this and
Let's do all of them.
this and this and all of them. Okay.
Okay.
And so what?
Did you want to make green? Did you want to make a green?
Okay.
Okay. And combine them all.
它好像它在叫。
Yeah, you can hear the sound. And okay, is it all absorbed? Is it? Oh.
Put it in the mother barrel. Put it in the mother barrel. What is this?
Put it in.
What's this?
It's the marker cord and the ink.
In the
1, 2. Oh. Okay. One more click.
We make markers today.
Smile.
We make a marker today.
Today.
Today.